The 62nd Raising Day of Civil Defence and Home Guards was celebrated in Meghalaya, with Minister Kamingwan Umbon taking the salute during the march past. Umbon urged the force to collaborate with local authorities for capacity building. He also informed that new posts for the force are being sanctioned and awarded medals for meritorious service were presented to deserving personnel.
This is a new role in which this organization have been building up expertise and training volunteers both in the rural and urban areas to be prepared to face any contingency. And I would advise the department to take active help of various local bodies like the Dorbar, Nogmas, etc., so that capacity building and awareness to face any challenges become widespread.